If you've been chip carving for any length of time, you know that chip out can be maddening. In this course, you'll examine common examples of what causes chip out, how to prevent it, and what to do when it happens. You'll discover how to prevent chip out with this simple acronym: DOGS. D, direction of cut. O, order of cuts. G, grip on your knife. S, short grain. You'll learn that when you keep your dogs on a short leash, chip out will disappear. And when chip out is gone, the stress and frustration that chip out causes is also gone. After each lesson, you'll practice getting rid of chip out by carving the identical pattern I demonstrate in the lesson. You'll carve patterns for rosettes, borders, letters and numbers, and more. This is the most important course I put together so far. I say that because I know that chip out can be so frustrating that it makes you want to quit. And that's the last thing I want to see. You should enjoy chip carving. And I promise, this course will make it happen.